Hey guys, welcome to the JetGenX channel again. Today we will learn how to find average of different values in Excel. Okay, so come to the data sheet and let's see how can we find the average. Okay, so for example, I want to find the average of these 4, 5, 6 or 10 values. What I'm going to do is press equal and then AV average. Okay, you can see here the average. This average you have to press it, double click, and now you select the values you want to find the average. For example, I'm interested in average of these values. Okay, so I selected the range. I want to find the average and now I will press enter. So the average is 1447.53. Okay guys, and let me show you another thing here. Press equal. Okay, and now let's assume I'm interested in the average of this row. Okay, so I'm going to select this row. Okay, and I will press enter. So wait, because I haven't selected the formula, that's why it's not giving me any answer. So I'm going to select the average first for average, and now I will select the values I want to find the average. Okay, and press enter. So this is the average of the values of the row I have selected so far. And let me tell you something more. The average, for example, if I want to average the whole values, like I can select a very large data like this one. I will select this one and I will press enter. You see, I can find the average of too many data at once. So these are the ways how you can find average in Excel. Okay, now let me tell you another example of taking the exponential. For example, because one of my students asked me how can we take or we can raise a value to the square or to the cube or to any power. For example, if you want to take the power of, let's say, 5 raised to power 10, if you want, so you just type 5 and then shift plus 6. Okay, wait, 6, shift plus 6, you will find this symbol. Okay, the head, and now you type 10. This means 5 raised to power 10, but this will not work because I haven't typed the equal sign. So I am going to type the equal sign. Now this means 5 raised to power 10. If I press enter, you see this is the value you can find by calculator as well if you want to do it. And another example might be 2 raised to power let's say 4. So the value, sorry, again I forgot to type the equal sign. Okay, 2 raised to power 4, press enter and you will find 16. So this is the way how you can find the exponential value. Okay, thank you guys, I hope you like it, and please, if you like, share and like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, goodbye.